Good morning, everyone. Respected principal, teachers, and my dear friends. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Amala. I study in UPK Buttur, Paradise Junior School. Today, we have to celebrate annual day birthday. I'm going to speak about good habits. Good habit makers, good children. We should wake up early in every day. We should brush our teeth and take a bath. We should respect our parents, teachers, and elders. We should say sorry, please, and thank you. Should not throw waste on the road. Keep our classroom home clean. We should help our friends and share our skills. Good habit makers healthy and happy. Let us follow good habits. I can do my best. Thank you.